welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
The vegan diet, an appropriate diet for all age groups. What is the vegan diet? What has made it so popular these days? If these questions have started garnering your castle too, then you are in the right place. So, as we can make out from the sound of the word vegan, it has been derived from the word vegetarian. This is where it got its root. Veganism is the other word for this diet. It encompasses the abolishment of animal products. This diet can be followed by all age groups if it gets laid out in a planned manner. However, some doctors don't recommend this diet to infants and pregnant women. This diet has a higher level of iron, folic acid, magnesium, vitamin C, dietary fibers, vitamin E, and phytochemicals. While they are deprived of omega-3 fatty acids, dietary energy, zinc, cholesterol, vitamin D, and saturated fats. This makes the need for a properly planned diet mandatory. However, a balanced vegan diet with beneficial supplements has several advantages which nullifies side effects. This diet has been popularized lately due to the increasing ethical and health awareness. This video will help you in crossing the routes to the palace of the vegan diet. Everything about the vegan diet. The vegan diet has been inspired by veganism. Veganism states that every cruelty towards animals must be obstructed, including those done for shelter, clothing, and food. This explains why this diet cuts off animal products. The diet is implicitly based on plant products. In some cases, this might lead to nutrient deficiency, however, if taken proper care of it, brings out exquisite results. It not only has a hand in controlling obesity, but also improves several health conditions. What has made the vegan diet so popular lately? The vegan diet has been in trend lately. The credit for its popularity goes to three main factors. Ethical issues. Many people find it ethically satisfying with the increase in environmental awareness and underlying humanity. Many people find their peace of mind in this. They believe that using animals for our selfish needs is remorseless and agonizing. It helps in staying fit and also stimulates weight loss. It helps in fighting several diseases and disorders. Different types. A vegan diet has been classified into varied types depending on food consumption, so let's discuss these types so that you can pick up the right type for yourself. Raw food. The raw food vegan diet consists of raw food sources derived from plants. These can be consumed in their raw state or by them at a temperature not more than 118 degrees Fahrenheit. These include raw vegetables, nuts, fruits, seeds, etc. Starch solution. This diet lays its focus on cooked starch food. Even this is a low-fat diet, though it is high on the carb. This diet includes rice, corn, potato, etc. Raw till 4. This is an assortment of low-fat and starch diet. In this, a person can consume raw food until 4 p.m. 80 by 10 by 10. This is a type of raw food vegan diet. It excludes the consumption of fat-rich food. Thus, it is generally referred to as a low-fat diet. Whole food. The whole food diet consists of food sources derived from the whole plant. These includes vegetables, fruits, grains, seed, nut, legumes, etc. This diet is generally rich in nutrients. Advantages of vegan diet. A vegan diet helps in relinquishing weight. It has been observed that people on this diet plan lose weight more efficiently than people following any other diet. This is possibly because of the low calorie intake. The whole food diet is more famous for this purpose. It regulates blood sugar level. The vegan diet has been observed to keep type 2 diabetes in check. This is because they develop high insulin sensitivity. This diet plan reduces the risk of heart disease. It reduces the proportion of cholesterol in our body, due to which the rate of catching heart disease falls tremendously. A vegan diet reduces the risk of developing cancer. It also effectively reduces arthritis. Consuming plant protein reduces the risk of kidney failure. The vegan diet has also been observed to reduce Alzheimer's disease. Disadvantages: people following the vegan diet are at risk of getting deficiency of some nutrients. These nutrients include vitamin D, iron, zinc, iodine, calcium, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acid. These nutrients are mandatory for everyone. Deficiency of these nutrients can be troublesome for everyone. Children, pregnant or breastfeeding women are at a higher risk. Thus, a vegan diet should be well planned and balanced. We can conclude by saying that the vegan diet is an ideal diet for staying fit. It not only falls into the category of ethical norms but is also healthy. It definitely has some demerits, but even gold has its own set of restrictions. With a little precaution, this wand can cast wonders.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.